Ford just hired, rehired, and promoted around 350 veteran engineers after learning a very expensive lesson about AI, that a model can only work with the information available to it. That's because experienced engineers know what will never make it into the data. And this isn't isolated. Robert Half reports that 32% of companies across a range of sectors that eliminated roles because of AI have already reinstated the same or similar positions, with some reports suggesting some backfills are commanding 20 to 35% higher salaries. Forrester saw this coming and called it early in their Future of Work report in October 2025, stating that 55% of employers already regretted AI-related job cuts, and it predicted half would eventually be quietly reversed. Because replacing human expertise was never intended to be the main use of AI. Take a steel saw station. An experienced operator is constantly balancing yield, rolling mill pace, customer orders, and downstream constraints. AI can evaluate those variables continuously, in real time, across far more possible combinations than a person reasonably can. But the operator knows the context that isn't captured in the data. A billet that's arrived with a quality issue, a crew member off sick that day, an equipment issue that hasn't been logged yet, or something physically happening in front of them that warrants overriding the recommendation. That's why Fero has always kept experienced people in the loop. Our newest capability brings Fero into the saw station, doing the computational heavy lifting, while the operator brings the operational knowledge. Turns out AI isn't making decades of experience obsolete, it's making it considerably more valuable. Click the link in the description to find out more about our new saw optimizer capabilities.